Another day in the neighborhood. Sure enough, I'm at 6 months without anything happening now. Voila. Time to go into the mother bag to fix this. Oh, shit. Hey, what's up? So today in video, we're gonna be fixing the airline hose that broke off. So we're gonna start off with the 15-foot kit, air hose kit. I'm gonna put this off over here to the side. I'm gonna be using a 7/8 wrench that goes in like that. Voila. And another wrench to go around the bottom so this doesn't spin off of that. So, alright, let's get started. Scrapping this for this, it's too small, so. Now you do the same thing with the other side. Oh, man. And we're gonna keep this as a backup, because I could be in or something like that, and something like this will happen, and you gotta run to a truck stop and find a part. And always keep an extra one in your truck so you don't have to deal with that situation. Alright, now we're gonna open up the new joint. Nice and pretty with everything inside of it. So first thing I like to do is hook up the electrical line so that I kind of have like a anchor holding the wires up. Boom. Alright. Now I got these two. Alright, so make sure you remember which side you took off each air hose off. The blue was the first one, so all you need to do is hand tighten it first. I like to loosen it from this nut up top, that way I can screw it in. Without the rubber hose moving. So, got those two in there. Now let's tighten. So that's on there nice and tight. Tighten up the nut up top so that way you have no air coming out at all. You want to be just tight enough so that the air doesn't come out, not so you can't take it off another time. So, and that's how it's done. That's it. Now all I have to do is screw on the tops for this. Blue goes with blue. Red goes with red. Look. Here comes the fun part. I actually have this one, so swap it out. Walla bing bang bang, we done. Yeah, so that's probably one of the easiest things to fix on the truck. It took me 20 minutes tops, so now it's time to hit the road and pick up this load and make this money back, because it was $230 for that one electrical cord and 2 airline hose. So gotta always make your money back, always gotta get the re-up money, right? All right, peace.